Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been watching the XRP price lately, you might be feeling a bit concerned. The token has faced some intense selling pressure, dropping to its lowest point since July at $2.69 before recovering to around $2.80. This dip has sparked real frustration in the community, with some long-term holders even threatening to sell if things don't turn around soon. But before anyone makes any drastic moves, a well-known market analyst is stepping in with a very different perspective. He's sharing 3 specific reasons why he believes the current XRP bull run is absolutely not over. Let's dive into his analysis and see if the optimism is justified. The analyst leading this bullish charge is XRP, a respected technical analyst in the crypto space. Despite the recent price action, he maintains that this correction is just short-term noise. In his latest chart update, he emphasized that XRP's bullish structure on the monthly time frame remains completely intact. He isn't just being hopeful, he's basing this on 3 clear technical factors. So what are these 3 reasons? First, XRP noted that XRP has not lost its body candle structures on the monthly chart. This is a key technical concept. It means that the core price momentum hasn't been broken down when we zoom out to look at the bigger picture. Second, he pointed out that the price has not fallen below any major Fibonacci retracement levels. He specifically highlighted the $1.99 level as acting as an incredibly strong base or support that the price has respected. His third reason involves a major momentum indicator. XRP remains above the 21 exponential moving average, EMA, on the monthly chart. This is widely watched by traders to gauge long-term trend strength. XRP stated clearly that unless these 3 conditions are broken, he refuses to declare the XRP bull run over. Based on this, what does he expect to happen next? His immediate expectation is for XRP to target $3.90, which will mark a new all-time high and aligns with the 1.272 Fibonacci level. But he doesn't stop there. He believes this momentum will continue, ultimately pushing XRP toward the $9.22 range, which aligns with the 1.618 Fibonacci level. That would require a surge of around 230% from current prices. For the very long term, XRP has even more ambitious outlooks, mentioning price targets of $18, $23, and $46. Yes, you heard that right. XRP isn't the only analyst sharing this optimistic view. Matt Hughes, also known as the Great Matt Spy, has also pointed to XRP's technical structure as evidence that a major move is imminent. He uses a tool called a Gann fan on the weekly chart for his analysis. He highlighted that XRP has successfully flipped past major resistance levels like the 50 cents to $1 zone and the 2021 peak of $1.96, turning them into solid support. He even calls the $3 psychological level the final boss, suggesting that once it becomes firm support, a parabolic breakout could follow. Adding a macro perspective, well-known investor Raoul Pal says that XRP is fully porting to higher levels as capital rotates from Bitcoin into other assets. This idea of capital rotation is a powerful one, suggesting that even if Bitcoin slows down, money could flow into strong altcoins like XRP. However, a critical analysis requires us to look at the other side of the coin. This overwhelmingly optimistic view starkly contrasts with the growing frustration from other parts of the community. Influencer Crypto Bitlord recently said he would sell every last cent if XRP fell back to $2, claiming that after more than a decade of holding, the coin has failed to deliver the wealth-building potential he once envisioned. This sentiment reflects the impatience and disappointment felt by some investors who expected faster gains. It's important to maintain balance here. Despite the recent pullback, it's crucial to look at the broader performance. XRP remains up more than 410% year-on-year at its current price. This still positions it as one of the stronger altcoin performers over the past year, even if it has not yet met the most extreme expectations. So what's the final takeaway? On one hand, technical analysts like XRP and Matt Hughes are providing data-driven reasons for continued optimism, pointing to intact chart structures and key support levels. On the other hand, the market is clearly dealing with impatient sentiment and the psychological impact of a correction. The truth likely lies somewhere in the middle. The technicals suggest the bull run could very well have more room to go, but investors should always be prepared for volatility and manage their expectations accordingly. The key will be watching those critical levels XRP mentioned. Hold above them, and the bulls remain in charge. What do you think? Are you with eGrag on this? Or is the frustration starting to set in? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this balance breakdown, please give the video a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.